Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a vacuum sealer, then you're going to definitely need some vacuum sealer bags. These rolls are from FoodSaver. So this is the 8-inch by 20-foot roll, and these are a really nice size for a lot of different things. So we have been using these to vacuum seal some steaks that we were able to buy in bulk and cut ourselves. And that makes them last for so much longer in the freezer. They do not get freezer burn, and we've just been really happy with the way that these work. So we use this with our FoodSaver vacuum sealer. It's super simple to use. You just cut the roll to size and then you seal it to create a bag, and you vacuum seal around your food item, and it takes just a couple minutes and they really work great. So we've been super happy with these rolls, and this is a really convenient size for a lot of different food items. So I would definitely recommend this, and that's my point of view.